Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Paradox AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in paradox.ai and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Paradox AI. Now from the homepage, if you don't already have an account, you will need to click on the demo button at the top right corner, and now you will be asked to fill up the form in order to get your demo. Go ahead and type in your first and your last name, followed by your preferred email address. You can then enter your phone number and your job title. Then enter your company name and enter your number of employees. You can finally choose your location and click on the submit button. And now you will be told to wait for 1 business day, after which you will receive your login credentials. After 24 hours has passed, just check your inbox and you can click on the link within to access your newly created account on Paradox AI. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Paradox AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.